to Best Car Fixes. You can go on YouTube channel and get my channel, say Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe and share.
Okay.
Today we have this Infiniti M35 2009, right?
Yes.
Okay, we are trying to program a key, but if you notice here, this is a Nissan, but actually even Infiniti label is coming in a Nissan box. So the only difference between some Infinitis and some other Nissan, they only use the emblem. So I'm gonna show you that later on, but now let us try to see if we can program this key to this car. Okay, I'm gonna go to Imo. Most of the time it requires that your internet must be active, so I'm gonna get my my hotspot on, turn on, in case you need it. Okay, I'm gonna accept the disclaimer. I gotta go by Asian car. I will go by Infiniti and then see what's gonna happen now. Okay, automatic selection, hazard light on, open and close driver door, open and close driver door if you want, and then I say okay. Please subscribe, share and like. You found my channel?
Yeah.
Or you don't get it?
I didn't go yet.
Okay, I gotta go back again home, and then here I'm trying to activate my hotspot. I don't see my channel. It's not come on, so let me see if maybe it's not on. Hotspot must be on. I'm gonna wait here. It will come back in a few.
You say what's the name?
Best Car Fixes.
Oh, Best Car Fixes.
I turn on my Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna look for this one here. Be sure you have internet ready. Yes, because sometimes it asks you to log into the system. Now this is my emo. We continue communicating with the system. Don't forget this car have a place where you put the key inside. We're gonna deal with this. And I know that we have to unlock the steering column. Programming the remote on this car is kind of different. The FCC number is 7935. I gotta do emo scan. %. Sometimes I ask you to do the steering lock release. Any car that have this slot, it could be a little bit different. See? Oh. Okay. 85%. Okay. All key lost. Let me see what let me see emo learning what it has. You see, you have to go with unlock steering lock. Say yes. Hazard on. Yes. Ignition off. Yes. Unlock success. Say yes. Now smart key learning. Turn ignition off, power off, turn ignition off, driver door once. It will erase all the keys. Insert the intelligent key in the slot without depressing the brake, turn the ignition on, position. Now I'm gonna put one, gonna put it there. Okay, turn the ignition on. I wanna see what the security light gonna do. I did not put it all the way inside. Now it's inside. See, this one is on. Never go off. Ignition is on. I'm gonna say okay. It will go into, you see the light go off. So now he say remove the intelligent. You have to do one to perform the key registration according to the following procedure. Remove the inserted intelligent key slot. the key will go off. Insert again and turn the ignition off, and it will take 5 keys. So what you're gonna do is push this one, take it out, ignition go off, put it back again, turn the key on, security light will flash 5 times if everything is okay. If it doesn't flash, that means there is something wrong. Let me put another one. Let me see what happened. Let me do this again. Take it out, take this one out, put the next one, turn the key on. This security light is supposed to flash 5 times. If it doesn't flash, there's a problem there. This is maybe a different procedures. So we're gonna go out of here. I'm gonna go out of here. Let me do something else. Let me do something here. All key loss guide. Touch tone rotary, no. Escape. Touch tone smart key, yes. Because I have 2 keys. Start. Okay. Okay. Insert the smart key into the and turn the ignition on. I put it on, turn the ignition on. I turn the key on. Okay, say success. Remove. I say okay. Let me see what I can insert. The key to be learned and turn the ignition on. Hopefully this time it's gonna work. Still, it doesn't want to come on. Okay, we have a problem here. Let me see what happened. Okay. Say okay. Okay, let me put the other one. Still also doesn't want to blink. So let me see something. It's very funny. Okay. Let me try one thing more. Okay, let me put this one here. Turn the key on. Still also doesn't want to do nothing. I don't know why.
Look at this, bro. Look how hard it is. This way, bro. Just let me drive, you know.
Put this one too. Nothing is coming on and turn off. It's very strange. Success. Start over. Okay. Yes. Okay. That light is off. I turn the key off here. Now I'm gonna put it back. It's nothing blinking. It's not registering. That means something wrong with this system. So let me check and be sure. Yes. Okay, take this one out. Nothing is there, but let me put this one. Say again. Okay, turn the key off. Also, it never blink. Stay steady. That means there is something wrong. No. Okay, it failed. We're gonna review our work and see why it's not gonna work. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.